Hello and welcome to E Prime. I am Daedran. Dancehall artist Mr. Lexx was released after he was detained upon arrival in Panama City yesterday. In a series of tweets, the Full 100 DJ thanked Culture Minister Olivia Grange and Judith Edwards from the Consulate of Panama and his fans for their help after he was detained by Panamanian immigration officials at the Tocumen International Airport in Panama City. The officials had allegedly denied him access to the services of an interpreter and confiscated his phone. Lexx tweeted the ordeal yesterday, stating that he has been in the immigration room at the airport. He was threatened to be barred because he got arrested in the United States in 1997. He then followed up with a series of tweets pointing out how unprofessionally he was dealt with. In an update, Mr. Lexx stated that he was released and that he won't be barred from entering the country. Mr. Lexx is known for the hits Cook, Full 100, Ring Off Misselli, and Holla Holla. Dancehall artist Dexter Daps has postponed his United Kingdom tour. In an Instagram post today, the artist said that due to circumstances beyond the promoter's control, the UK dates will now be staged in February next year. This marks the second time that Dexter has had to reschedule shows. Earlier this week, he was forced to move a performance that was slated for November 5 to January next year due to expected inclement weather. In September, Dexter Daps released his deluxe version of the Vent album that debuted at number 7 on the US Reggae albums chart. Now over on the international scene, where soul singer Her is leading this year's Soul Train Awards with 8 nominations. She is followed by Jasmine Sullivan and Chris Brown with 6 nominations each, while Wizkid and Thames have 5 nods each. At the award show this year, Grammy-winning singer and songwriter Maxwell will be honored with the Legend Award, and award-winning and multi-platinum singer-songwriter Ashanti will be honored with the Lady of Soul Award. The Soul Train Awards will be held at the Apollo Theatre in Harlem later this month, and will see actresses Tisha Campbell and Tashina Arnold co-hosting the show for the 4th consecutive year. The award show aims at honoring the best in soul and R&B music. I am Daedran reporting for E Prime.